Hey YouTube, it's Cole, and welcome to Cole's Corner. Today we're going to be talking about two different products that I purchased to help with my transition. Both products have their own special areas to assist me with my dysphoria. I have a big problem with my chest. I've always had a big problem with my chest, particularly as I've gotten to be bigger, my chest got to be bigger, so that really sucks, actually. Like, I used to be able to hide it really well, and now, not so much. So, binders are really important for that. I had a binder in the past from Underworks. It was the 997 model, the ultimate binding tank, but the problem I had with that was the material was really itchy. It was like the same material on both sides, that kind of meshy material that they use like in the back and also on the front. So it was a double of that on the front, single of that on the back, and it used to roll up all the time. And I could not stand when my binder rolled up because, I think it mostly rolled up because it was like the wrong size because I was getting bigger. I got it as a hand-me-down. It was second hand, So that was earlier on, when I first came out like 15 years ago. And then, like I said, I just kind of gave up and just did the sports bra thing for a while. But now that I've started on T, I'm really wanting to be able to bind my chest so that I can look like who I feel like, until I can get some top surgery. So I'm going to do my Underworks review first. Please note, I'm not paid for this review. I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting paid. They didn't send it to me for free. I paid for it. And I did a lot of research off videos like this and websites and reviews. And I did a lot of research before I purchased because I know with these items, once you purchase them, they're yours. So I didn't want to get something that I wouldn't fit and wouldn't work. That being said, I actually have another binder coming from another company who, when I measured and ordered, I ordered on Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, and when it came, it was too tight. I couldn't get it past my shoulders, which is always a problem for me too. I'll get into that, but so now I had to ship it back, and I was waiting for a credit for them to send me a bigger size, and it took them until yesterday. So from November 26th, I ordered it. It arrived December 2nd. I shipped it back, and my tracking said that they had received it as of the 10th of December. I did not get my credit back until yesterday, so it took a while. Which is why I also ordered from Underworks, because I've ordered from Underworks in the past, and they literally ship in 2 days. So, I mean, that's incredible. I ordered mine on the 23rd of December. Then there was Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, so obviously nobody shipped those 2 days. But the 26th, it went out, and it arrived here last night. Or something like that. Went out on the 24th and arrived here yesterday. So, made me really happy. That was something I wanted to discuss. Underworks, when they ship to you, the package just says Simple Solutions, and so nobody knows what's in your package. So, what I went with this time was actually their base model. It was their Econo, Econo tank top, or top tank. It's their base line of them. So it was, with shipping, it cost me $24, which wasn't bad. I got it in black because I wear a lot of dark colors, and to work I wear navy blue. So putting something dark under it just feels more like me. So, as I was saying about being a big guy, I have a hard time sometimes getting binders over my shoulders because I have wide shoulders because I'm a bigger guy. And I'm bigger in the waist and I'm bigger everywhere. And because of that, sometimes I feel like binders, I have to get them big enough to fit over, which then I think compromises my binding. Um, but I also still have some personal issues with the fact that, like, even when I'm binded and the rest of the world thinks I'm, flat enough, I don't. I think that's my own problem, though, because I know they're there. And it's been something I've dealt with for a long time. Really looking forward to a point when I can have surgery. So, but that's not right now. That's way in the future, but that's okay. It's coming. That's all that matters. So yeah, so I bought this Underworks one, and I'm going to show you the stuff that came with it. All right, so this is just the pamphlet that came with it. Has all their options on it. Let me just get this. I wanted to just show you the whole Simple Solutions thing. So this is the invoice, and this is literally like what the package said too, which I thought was really helpful. So just Simple Solutions Inc. Like on the packaging, it didn't even say anything about Underworks, it just said Simple Solutions, and so nobody's gonna know what's in the bag. And then this is my binder, and it's the 947 model. Alright, so this is it. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Something I really like about this model is that it's actually soft on the inside. Can't see that, the difference in material. So that's the side that goes up against you on the front, and that's, really nice because I used to have a problem with, Underworks used to use, this meshy material on both sides, and they just did, a double compression with that on the front, and it would be so itchy. So I was really excited to have something soft that can be against my body. When I put it on, like I said, it does bind. It does work. I like that it has the compression all the way down because as a bigger guy, it's nice to have my front compressioned into my stomach, because I have a giant freaking gut. And yeah. Other than that, I will always want to be flatter than I am. It's just, until I get surgery, that's just who I am. So, but it will work in the time being. I have another one coming that once that gets here, I'll do a little review on that. I haven't really worn this that much yet. I just put it on, made sure it fit. And so there was that. And yeah. So it was good. I would recommend it. I'll put in the link for Underworks and for this actual binder so that in the links so you guys will have that. And I'm going to stop this video because I've rambled. And I'm going to review my rodeo product. So, all right. I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me here in Cole's Corner. Have a good one. Bye.